Hey there, this is Adhika Udari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we're gonna learn for loop. So here, let's make a new file, 228.py. Okay, now here, what we have to do, we will write for I in range 10, and here inside the block, we will write print I. Okay, so what is this doing here? We have written for. For stands for loop. Okay, now here we have written I. So I is a variable. For loop makes variable itself only. If we have defined the variable, then it will get that variable only. But if we haven't defined any, so it will work automatically. Okay, it will automatically make a variable. Now we have written for I in range. Okay, so I've told you that in is a keyword and it checks whether the substring is inside a string or not. As I told you that in keyword not only works on string, it works on many other things like loops, dictionaries, and lists, and that all. So that's why, as you can see here, it is written for I in range 10. So it will check whether I is in range 10 or not. Range will decide till when we have to loop. Okay, so as we have written range 10 times, so it will loop 10 times. Now as you can see, I is in range, so it will print I. Let me show you. See, 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will start from 0 and go till -1, number -1. Okay, it's like indexing only, like I told you in string slicing, right? Hope you remember. So it works like that only. So as I is present in range, it will print I. Okay, and as soon as a loop will terminate, it will break the loop and will search for the lines which is outside the loop. Okay, here we do not have to write I plus equal to 1 or plus equal to 2, because it automatically does everything. Okay, so that's why for loop is considered the easier one, but we use while loop at times also. Okay, so suppose if I have a variable name which is equal to extra coding, or let's say extra only. Okay, let me comment this one out. Now let's write here for I in name. Here we gave a range. Here we have given the variable only, so it will work on the variable. See, extra, extra. Okay, so what it has done here, it has worked like this only, and here instead of working on range, instead of looping on range, it has looped on this name extra. Okay, now here what if you have to work from 1 to 10? As you can see, it was printing from 0 to 9. You have to, if you have to work from 1 to 10. So what can you do? Here you can write for I in range. You will give it starting and ending point. Okay, so let starting to be 1 and ending to be 10. So you have to give 11 here. As I told you, it works as string slicing, so that's why you have to give 11 here, so that it can go from number second number minus 1. Okay, you can give steps also here 2. Okay, let me comment this one out, and here let's print I. Okay, so as you can see, 1 3 5 7, it has started from 1 and it has looped till 10. Okay, and it has the step of 2. So 1 3 5 7 9. You cannot see 10 because it has printed odd numbers only. So if I write here 2, let me run it again. See, 2 4 6 8 10. Okay, so that's what for loop is and how it works. Hope I made myself clear. See you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you for being with me till the end of the session.